โอเค สวัสดีครับเพื่อนๆครับ ผมกำลังหวังว่านะ เสียงตอนนี้คือ วันนี้ผมไปพยายามแก้เสียงมาแล้วระบบเสียง ผมก็เลยคิดว่าวันนี้เสียงน่าจะดีขึ้น ถ้าเพื่อนๆคนไหนเข้ามาเนี่ยก็มาทักผมนิดนึงนะ ฮัลโหลสวัสดีครับอ่าโอเค Look like I look like I found a solution to fix the problem of the sound system today. So at first today, right, I also think that what should I do today? I mean, since like there are so many professional trader, the coach, so many person that doing the live trading in Thai because like we are Thai and in Thailand as well. So what I'm thinking today, right, I will try to do something different as well. I will try to live do the streaming today in English. And I hope who are listening to me in English today or anyone who are listening to me today, right? If you have any question regarding to trading, I'll be willing to try my best to reply to you, to respond to you. Okay. Right. So thanks a lot, my wife. Hello, Ong Sin. Hi. Good evening, man. Oh, is it Jung? Hello, Jung, man. How are you? Long time no see. Okay. All right. So normally I will start off by like have the summary for each time frame first. For day, right? Time frame day. Actually, we can say that it's uptrend. Okay. Volume also like not bad, and also like if we go to 4-hour time frame as well. Also, this uptrend, still uptrend, and also the volume is good. Same as the 1-hour time frame as well. It's uptrend, and also volume is also good as well. At this time, this now, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk about the order that I have given since this morning. So this morning, right? If you see my screen now, this morning I give two orders, like this one, the sell limit here, and this one, the buy limit here. After the morning session that I have with you guys, actually the order also was triggered as well, and it's already achieved our TP1, which is around 1,000 point. But in the morning, one of the order, right, I also lost as well. Okay, it's about 650, which means today I still in plus of 350. And if anyone is holding the order until now, I think there's a possibility that the order will also go to the TP2 as well. Okay. And what I'm gonna ask you to do next is actually like if you can go to 4-hour time frame. Okay. I would like you guys to set the buy limit for this order. This one. This order that I have arrow pointing out pointing to the order. So I suppose in case, I mean like just in case that if the price is pulled back very strong and what can I say? I mean if the price pull back very strong, I would say this is the order that you should pick up actually. If this order trigger, also like I would like to suggest you to hold the order as well, because like if this order trigger, right, I think if you go up and you can hold, you can run the trend. And I'm very happy actually that the sound system today is working now. Okay, anyone who can this start? Anyone who see my live now, if say hello to me, it would be very nice. Okay, actually like maybe like if okay for there's Nino is asking like the basic things about trading, right? Okay, the basic thing about trading. So if any one of you, right, haven't known about the trading at all, right? I mean like, and if anyone that listening to me now is like interesting about this trading, I would like to say, okay, it's actually everyone is like, if everyone see things that like this, okay, on the screen using the computer, and there could be like I mean like it look like it can make money, it can generate the money as well. If people, right, we talk about like, and you also might also heard about like people are talking about trading as well. So actually the trading here, okay, it's actually like it's the thing is it's not that hard. Okay, it's supposed to be like if the prices go down, right, you just like wait for the right price and buy, and when the price is like your thing that you buy, your asset that you buy, right, is going up, you just look at the price when it go very high some point, and then you make a profit by selling. This is a very basic concept, no? And okay, but it's actually, I will tell my story as well. Actually, when I start for about trading, right, it's actually I think, okay, the trading is not that hard, because like I tell that I thought to myself that if the price go down, then I just buy, and the price go up, I just sell. There's two things only actually in this verb trading. Yes, the concept is look very simple, but actually, right, in the real things, right, it's not that simple. Okay, and in the beginning of my journey, when I do the trading, if okay, there will be a question to myself like, okay, so how are we gonna find the point when the prices come down and then we buy, and how much like how much the price go high that we gonna sell. Hello, Yevinai. Is it you? Good evening, brother. Look like you guys are interesting actually. So I'll be willing to share. Okay, but the thing is like the concept like that, right? Actually, the concept like this is actually not that easy, because why? Because the thing is like many people, right? They might go into like finding, because information the information now, right, is in internet. It might be like from YouTube, maybe from like Facebook as well. But the thing is like when you go and study by yourself, when you think like the concept is very easy, I would say no. It look easy, but it's actually the real thing is very hard, because like you if the price, right, even go against you even a bit, okay, even like in a different way, one order actually you might end up losing a lot of money or even wipe out the whole account. So that also happened to me as well. But since I already passed this journey, right, I would like to suggest everyone who I mean, like for some people, right, some professional trader, I would understand that, okay, I'll go to smaller time frame. I think everyone is already note down this order, okay? So if everyone is already set this order, set this buy limit order, then I'll go to smaller time frame. So then I can introduce another order as well. Okay, so okay. I will try not to repeat okay a lot because I like to say okay a lot. There's another order that I think, okay, I think like you guys, right, who are on the screen right now, who are on your on your graph and MT5, better to set this this buy limit as well. Okay. This buy limit is a new one, not from morning of today. Okay. สวัสดีครับเกณฑ์ Hello เยวินไน Hey you want to get rich? It's actually not that easy, but the best thing is like you have to learn first. Okay. I mean like for some, okay, what I want to continue, right, about this story is like in my what I understand is some professional trader, right, actually out there he or she is very good, but the thing is like in order for them, right, to arrive actually to their time right now, that their journey might took about like more than 5 years, something like this, or maybe like even almost 9 years, 10 years or whatever. It's not that easy if you learn by yourself. The thing is like those people, right, it's like the same thing that you might need to invest, because before time, right, there might not be like a good learning course out there as well. Instead, right, they put the money right into their port, right, in order to like make an order, either buy or sell, okay, on the asset. Okay, so you guys, like some of you guys, I think it's my friend from Myanmar. I think it's like in the trading actually. Now I'm on Forex, right? But in the Forex platform, right, there also are other assets as well, apart from currency like silver, gold, oil, and currencies mean like you know, like US dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and everything. So if you are going, right, and then you want to try to make some money on the price changing on the currency, let's say like if you buy when the US dollar is very weak, okay, you use a New Zealand dollar to buy, okay, then you get a very good price because you don't have to using like a big money from the New Zealand dollar to buy US dollar. You understand, right? Then after you buy, then you expect the US dollar to get stronger. So which means after it gets stronger, then when you sell US dollar, you will get more New Zealand dollar. You understand? So which means you are making the profit on that. Okay, same thing like a gold. So like right now, right, on my graph, this chart is about like gold. Okay, gold against US dollar. So it's also like it's also the same thing. I mean like if people right now, I mean like this situation of like world economic right now, and including like all the situation of war as well, people are worried actually, and the safe asset, right, that they think to buy is about gold. So which means it's like if you're gonna go into the graph and see like the trend of the gold price, actually is uptrend for a long time now. I think the whole year of last year, even like 2024, right, and 2024 and 2025 is actually uptrend the whole year. Okay, all right, so we buy when it go low and we sell when it go high. But the thing is like you will have the question like how much low that we can buy at the period of time, and how much high that you can sell, okay, at the period of time as well. But remember, when you are in the forex, okay, all right, you will be, since you can use the leverage from the broker, okay, you can also buy, okay, the amount of gold, okay, in the big amount using amount of the small amount of money that you have put in the pot as well. You can, okay, but the thing is like if the price is go against you even a bit, no, I mean like the count in point, like, for me, right, we count in point. So when the point, let's say like it's not easy. I think you guys, right, if you guys really interested, right, hey hello people ขอบคุณครับที่เป็นที่ปรึกษามาตลอด so I mean like if you guys are interested, right, okay, I would like to say that okay, you better to learn, invest in the learning, because like actually learning of the good course, right, is actually can help you to do the trading to be, I would like to say like it's not gonna get you rich fast, because there is no, if you go to in the Facebook or whatever, or maybe even Instagram as well, some of the trader, right, some of the group of the people, right, in the world of trading, they might using like when you are having the problem with money, when you have greed, right, when you want to be rich, they might advertise this kind of thing, right, like they will show you a lot of money that you can make. But the thing is like in the real world, right, it doesn't mean that you can make you can make much money, a lot of money, but you cannot make that fast if you don't know like the basic thing, like how to manage your money, how to manage your pot, how you manage to the risk as well. Okay, so I would like to say and suggest, okay, if you guys are interested to study, actually you can, since all of you might be my friends as well who are looking at me now, I mean like I'm willing, okay, we are having like a studying course as well, and then can teach you. Okay, since I also like doing like, because I believe in the course, that's why I dare to live as of now, okay. So then if I dare to live, which means like the strategy or maybe like the skill and knowledge that I have learned so far is actually working. That could be if you are decided to learn by yourself and not to invest in the studying course. I would like to say could be, but the thing is like if you are really stuck, like get stuck into it, like you like to put, like you like to enter your order maybe every day, every time, you end up like wiping out your your trading pot, right, you lose money and you refill the money again, right. I think if you're gonna have time to do that, to do a lot of mistake and to refill the money again, I think I would like to say that it's better for you guys, right, to invest in the learning course. Plus, if you guys are my friends as well, I would like to say that I can guide you all actually. But the thing is like this studying course is not belong to me. So I cannot just teach you. You have, and it's not belong to me because like there's like the group, right, the community, right, it actually has created this learning course. And I also have invest, and then like I have to tell you all, I want to tell you, maybe you're still I mean like who are listening to me right now is my friends, right. I would like to say that in the whole year I have been like trying, learning, fail and whatever, some good, some bad on this journey actually until now, because you might wonder like what am I gonna be doing before, and I end up being like this. And I love it a lot. I'm sorry. I love to be here. I love to talk. I love to share as well. Okay. And some of you might, and I talk in a few live like yesterday and also this morning as well. I did say like if you can learn by yourself of the trading, right? If you can learn the trading by yourself from maybe let's say like internet and also like maybe all the content, right? If you can learn and then it would be successful, right? But so many people actually, it's not easy like making a food or it's making bread or cake or whatever. It's not that. You will find out that actually, right, after you learn something, right, you might try about, because it's about money. You have emotion involved, you have greed, you have like, you might be revengeful or whatever. And then you will get stuck maybe many months. But the thing is, if you see the journey is about like many months from the day that you learn from by yourself, and compared to making bread, I would like to say if you look at the content of how to make bread, maybe I think only within a week you can already make bread actually. I bet. So this journey is actually not easy. One of the professional coach, right, that I know like in our community as well. He said, he's a very nice guy. He said like the trading, right, is the hardest way to make easy money, and I think it's really true. Anyone want to ask me more specifically, right? You can ask me more as well. Okay, let me go to like one like smaller time frame than this now. Look like, let me check the news a bit today. Oh, the news is coming. I guess actually it's getting green again, and I think like the news of the USA right today is for GDP and unemployment claim, right? I think it's today should be announced. It should be announced that it's better, because I saw like in the last 2 months where also it's green as well. But let's see. Okay, I'll go to the smaller time frame a bit. Okay. We wait until the news come out first, and then we will see. And I hope this order is still okay if it go down. You can talk to me more as well. You can ask to me more. Okay, 4 minutes until the news come. We can count back. No, the reason, let's talk about the reason that I give this order then. Okay. I think this order, right, I see the momentum. This momentum is quite strong, but it's actually already it's like from the morning, and I think it shows that it want to continue going up. So I set the buy limit here in case, but I set the buy limit since after the live in the morning. I already set the buy limit this one. And I'm also not sure whether like if the news come right, how is it gonna be? But I said, and I think I also hold this order as well. I mean like I still have this order also. So I think like I also like want to give like this order to you guys. Okay. All right. So the morning, okay, this order is actually already TP1 is already achieved. Target profit 1, target profit 2 almost achieved, not yet, almost. It's 1000 point. If we achieve like a TP2 it's 2000 point. This order I give because like I think it's if it's gonna test the buy power in the last zone, it should be here. I'm very happy actually. The sound system today is already working. And I want to tell you actually all my life in the last few days actually was they were in Thai, but I mean like my all of the coaches that in my community, right, they live in Thai now, and they are very professional actually. So I would like to do something different from the other. So then I decided I have been thinking a lot. And then I've been thinking a lot about like what to do about tonight, and I decided to do something differently. So which means today I'm gonna live the whole live with the English one. Figure crossed. I mean like hope everything come out okay. Jung still there? Okay, counting like in another 23 seconds. The news of the GDP of USA, US dollar for US dollar, and also like now it's 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, okay, it's faster than I thought. How? What happening? There's nothing. Okay. What is happening? Green lah. Is it green? Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess green. I guess it's good for dollar, but I'm not sure. But if it's green, right, then our order here might pick up actually. Might pick up. Then it's coming down now. The price is coming down now. But since like I mean like if you compare, right, everyone, I mean like every thinking of all the people in the world, right, they actually thinking of buying. See like this one, right, they are going down, I think. But I mean like they might go down and pick up our price, but I still bet it's like people still want to buy more, buy gold more, so even maybe it's not coming down as well. I almost like using this one. Okay, let's see. Actually, right, at first, right, before the news, if there's no news, right, I might want to try to try to test the buying power around here as well. Okay, look like it's not going down a lot. Oh, sorry, I just saw the message. How is it related to the news? Actually, right, it's very simple. Actually, if the number come out is green, okay, normally if the number come out for the green, right, it means like it's stronger for US dollar. When it's stronger for US dollar, right, the price of the gold will go down actually because like price of the US dollar is stronger. So which mean the price of the the gold will be lower when it's getting stronger on the US dollar. For the beginner, how you gonna be investing? There are like okay, I would like to say okay, before you are investing in this one, right? Okay, if you can invest to yourself about like studying first, it would be good. But however, if I want to explain for my way first, actually if you know right when the since gold is actually is in general thought, right, people want to buy, and if people want to buy in this like in this kind of situation, in this kind of economic situation, right, the price will keep going up in the long term. So which means what you need to do is actually if you can aim to the price when it's go down, right, in some point of the price level. If you buy correct, then you can hold long. To tell you the truth, actually, right, to year 9 then. Actually, to tell you the truth, a few orders that I have right now, actually I have already hold, right, for about it's about 3 weeks already, and this week gonna be week 4 that I'm holding this order. This order that I hold, right, is actually growing. Like the point that they are growing is about like it's a lot now, 50,000. And to tell you the truth, if you know well how to like run this trend, right, when you enter the order, which means it's already making money, it will make money for you. And I would like to say this order that I have is actually even my port, right, growing 3 times already. My port like this size is already growing bigger 3 times already from this order within 3 weeks. I would like to say this is also can be like investment. Okay, if you're not trying to make a mistake like to wipe out, or maybe like going back to like for that order that you run for 3 weeks, right? If you care enough, then you might not like price might not go back to like the entry price that you enter when you buy like price might not go back to the buying price for that order, which means you still have profit. Even now it's the profit that I have, right, it's good. And also the other thing is, for if you're being the day trade, right, it's just being like this one that I give an order, you can also make the profit, by speculating, right, the price either it's going to go down or go up. Actually it doesn't take long. Within the whole whole day, right, it can also decide like whether like your order will win or lose. Don't think as it is like gambling, you are not in casino actually, because if you learn it will not be gambling. But if you don't learn and you want to try because you're so excited about this one, right, I can tell that it's actually it's gonna be like a gambling, it's gonna be like casino actually, which means if you come with greed, or normally greed will always give you punishment. No, this is not the way of like a good trader actually, not the way. So correct. First thing first, okay. I think study first, okay. Let some people, right, who know well to guide you as well. Then you can start trading, okay. You also need to have like what at first, after you learning, you have to practice as well. Practice, and then you have to be disciplined. You have to be consistent in your trading system. Then also like it's good that if you want, you guys want to trade with me, right? Then I can guide you as well. How much do we need to start the trading? How much do we need to start the trading? Actually, $100 also you can already start. Not have to doesn't have to be a lot. Okay, if you are if you study and practice well, okay, you have some confidence, you know how to manage the money, you know how to manage the risk, right, of each order. I would like to say it's not gonna, you don't have to like invest like starting like a big money like $1,000, but to tell you the truth, okay, $100 can start trading, but the thing is like it's also not easy to manage the risk because the price on the gold, right? If you trade on gold, the price is moving like let's say like this. I give you example of this candle, this red candle, no? This red candle, right, showing about like 1050 point. Okay, if you guys listening to me now, look at my screen, right? This candle alone, the red one here, actually the red one here, okay, this candle alone, okay, it's already 1050 or 1035 point, which means it's actually right within one candle of 5 minutes, no, only 5 minutes one candle. If you are using like the smallest lot size of order, which means 0.01, right, you will lose about $10 within 5 minutes. Look like I risk a lot, right? Okay, so yep, actually even $100 also you can start trading now, but I would like to say it's not easy to manage like your order actually for the risk. Okay. Oh, there's okay, you can have more question to me as well. Just I'm so sorry just now that I missed your question, but yes, I'll try to answer everything. Actually, if you guys like attend, watch me, right, in the last few days, actually my sound system, right, on the computer is not so good. All voice are broken. Actually, you can also check my video as well in my channel in the past few days live. One hour, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, we still hold on to this order as well. And actually at first, I thought the price could go up actually, and if there's no news, right, I might want to enter around here. I think the price may go down but I'm not sure whether it's gonna go past this the tail of this candle the green one okay in in my stat then actually like since I beginning to live first day is like 1,600 point second day in the morning is 2,400 point before last into the evening session yesterday also I lost but I lost about 280 points so which means actually I want to tell you that actually this I want to show you when it comes to trading right when it comes to trading okay the orders in the morning if anyone is holding right it's already win TP2 okay 2,000 points from the morning okay and I said like after that right if you have like a order left you have lot left so which means you can hold as well anyway I'm not sure whether like this order this price will go I mean like if it go down I mean there's a like very high chance that it's gonna come down to pick our order here but I hope it can hold actually because the volume now is coming now and I will need to check okay where's my stat okay hmm 50 minutes 5 minutes okay I will wait until it go down first okay the trading is very risky correct especially if you don't have like if you don't have the knowledge and the correct skill as well is very risky in my journey right I also lose a lot even my wife then I tell you about the story of my wife because like when we came back from Myanmar actually we want to do something and my wife also want to do something as well and I also like thinking about like giving some budget for her to do something and I give her but that time right we were it's a lot of things we were at the time we study I studied some course and I thought it's that learning course is good but it's actually it's actually not the good one out there right there's a lot of community right that they are trying to providing like the trading course learning course about trading but the thing is like some courses are good some courses are bad but they will try to like what can I say, like get attention from you from maybe like let's say the point of money or something like this. Some and even some of the community out there, right, which is not my community for sure. Some community out there, and especially at the time that I was joining, okay, some group of people, and they were giving an order. They were giving a signal for that order, and I thought like, oh, okay, it might be the thing. It might be something good for my wife to do. We invest. We put some money in the pot. My wife also follow the signal. We even fight as well about this one. Even fight about like why did you do that? Why did you do that? And then like there's a lot of not a lot of the depression that we have. We follow the signal. My wife follow the signal, but it's actually rare. After that we lose all the money in the pot. Okay. We find out that like this group of people or these people, right, that they are providing, or this community, right, not my community, not my community. Some group of people, they have like ill intention actually to get your money only. They want you to invest, want you to do trading, okay, because like they also might be able like to get some money. So I mean like if you are my friends, right, okay, out there, right, don't try to choose like a community and the learning course by the point of the like the feeling of greed, or maybe the feeling that you're concerned about money, you want to be rich. Because if you are choosing like the community and the course by that one, right, I'm very sure that you're gonna end up losing the money. Okay, not so good. Okay, so and some of the learning course, right, okay, if you already have learned out there, and then like you have been trying a lot, like maybe like you have been trading for maybe years or a year or whatever, and then you still like maybe win some, lose some, win some, and then your pot is not growing. I would like to say that okay, the good learning course, right, they don't have intention to let you trading for maybe let's say a year or years before you grow. The good learning course, right, they normally is like they have intention for you to be able to trade or get the money, okay, doesn't have intention for you to be like get rich fast, no, but have intention for you. Think about this one, right, the trading, right, as a career. It would be good when you're choosing something, okay, it can be the career. It's not like gambling actually. If you think about like you want to get rich fast, you're choosing like everything by greed or whatever, and you think about like being excited for, if you want excitement, right, I would suggest you go to casino better. Okay, like if you're willing to lose money actually, okay, but you could have the feeling like this actually if you are not disciplined enough. Okay, right now, okay, actually right when it go down like this, okay, we might want to find some zone in order to but in order to enter the sales order actually. Okay, power of the swing okay, normally I will explain to you. If it's in the trend, if the price is in the trend, okay, like that, like this 4 hour, then okay, if the price is in the trend 4 hour, okay, like this one, right? This one, right? If you see like swing low here and swing low here is actually is higher than the previous swing low. Okay, swing high and swing high is higher than the previous swing high. So which means we are identifying that actually the price are traveling in uptrend fashion. Okay. Then normally I would like to check the power of this last swing because like it's already confirmed the structure. Actually this is confirmed the structure. Okay, I'll open this one. Let's go for 1 hour then. Okay, when it confirmed the structure like this, that okay, it's from the last swing high, it's going breaking, okay, the structure and then confirm that it's gonna go up again. Normally I will try to check the swing of this, okay. When I see the swing like this, where I will check the volume first. How strong is the volume? When I check the momentum of this volume, okay, in the bigger time frame, actually this momentum of the volume of this swing, right, is quite strong. And okay, for the trader, we are supposed to wait until the price is pulled back like this. Okay, in yesterday the price is pulled back like this here, and then let's go up. But actually, right, when the prices go down to this level, is actually there is like a zone, right, to enter the order as well. The zone, okay, around this level. This is the zone. This is the zone. Okay. So if you set the order in advance and it come to trigger and then it go up, then you buy low and then you can sell high and you make money. Simple. But you need to learn. In order to find the zone, you need to learn, because finding the zone is also not easy. You only need to learn and understand everything, because trading is not about like buy low sell high. No, it's actually it take a lot of skill, it take a lot of knowledge, right, in order to analyze the situation, the momentum of the pricing. Okay, right, so right now I think some of my professional trader, the coach, right, some of the coaches that be in our community, right, I think they already might give order a good one. But I would like to see more, actually. I would like to see more. I actually now I'm live streaming 2 times a day. Morning 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. in Thailand. In the evening, right, I live streaming in at the from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Thinking to change the timing as well, like because like in the morning there are not so many people are watching me as well. So I think it's better like if I move the time to maybe during the lunch time, right, would be better. Okay, so I mean like this swing that I see, I don't see so much momentum. If it go back, okay. Oh, okay. Hmm. I will delete this order. Okay. And since like the price is in sideways, I will set sell limit order another one here. What's a lot? Okay. Why I give this order, because like in the last swing high, this one, right, they have some reaction with the swing high of this one as well in the HC zone, and the new also is also come out good, and the last momentum of the swing is actually, at first I thought like it's gonna change to uptrend, but if the momentum recently, right, also like not too strong, but also tend to be like about what the downtrend. Okay, so I will give this signal, and hopefully it's like this, but there's some risk, there are always some risks. Sell limit. Okay. Oh, by the way, the order that I hold very long, 3 or 4 weeks now, is actually for buy side. I actually have to be buy, actually cannot be sell side, cannot be down, cannot be sell side, it's buy side. Hold on, what is that? Oh, okay. The morning, just to recap again, this morning I provide 3 order. One order is already triggered in the live, and then we lost that order 650 point, and another order just triggered after the live, and then it's also reaching the TP2 as well, which is about like the winning is about 2000 point. This one is on. Okay. Let me try to set a bit whether it's okay. Actually, right, not bad to go for 6. Okay. โอเคเอาครับเพื่อนๆมาดูกันได้ไหมออเดอร์นี้ so let's see this order whether it's like whether my analysis is okay because like what I see right is actually like this swing it looks like it's want to come down and the news is good the news of the news is good for US dollar is green okay and I think it will go to our entry point could be it could be and then at least right, I think TP1 I speculate TP1 okay that we can at least achieve okay but to tell you the truth no I mean like yes if it not winning if it not I mean like if it lost I will try to find more order for you guys as well don't worry we still have a lot of time today actually we still have time until 11 p.m. Thailand time another 2 hours or maybe it's go down I don't know let's see sometimes it's also exciting as well at first also like today right before I start live streaming since first live was on Tuesday evening at this time as well and I didn't get used to like getting up in the early morning because I also need to live streaming in at 8 a.m. As well so until today right I think I still don't get used to it and then I feel a bit exhausted but you know what when I study this course and also like being involved in this community like trading community like we call Ninja Map actually right I have received like all the good mindsets and like a positive force a lot from like all the coaches and the colleague here also very nice they are very nice they're young and they were very nice I never received some I mean like to tell you the truth I mean like I might receive some good comment before from my team in Myanmar but not so many time from like the people outside the team as well but here right almost all they look like they can feel the real me, and also like they're giving support to me as well, and I'm very glad to be here as well. And since I already joined this community, okay, my mindset changed, and also like I want to break all the ice that I have, break all the walls that I have. So even though I feel exhausted, and also like my brain can only work about like 50% or whatever, actually I would say that my brain is not working like 100% today. But you know what? I wouldn't want to give up at all. I would do it. I would try to do it like until I couldn't do it. I think it's like if we are giving up halfway, right? It's not even 1 week. I mean like to let me give up is so bad. So no way. I have to continue going whatsoever. Whether I'm gonna give good order, maybe I'm gonna give like bad order, but I'm still want to be with you guys. And I also want to like talk to you guys. Like if you guys want to ask me or anything, right? It's okay. I will be happy. I'll be very happy to talk to you. Actually, I'm being very. I want to say that I'm happy actually. If someone like want to talk to me or someone want me to share something, I'm very happy. But this morning also amazing. I think like I was a bit amazing. Like I didn't believe myself that I was keep talking like the whole life or something. Yeah. But I'm also happy that I changed. I'm not the same person anymore. And let's see. But even like sometime, right? I mean like for okay, this morning I talk a lot in Thai, and then I there's a lot of story that I could talk about as well. Some story like there's a very respectful coach, one of the respectful coach that I receive a positive force before, right? Before I what can I say like before I decided to be like trading coach, right? At the time also like my port is not growing well, and also like I still making like a very obvious number of profits or something like the amount of profits or something like this. But this gentleman, right? Okay, he said to me like he didn't say to me only, he said to everyone actually. He said like when he had a chance to talk about this, he said like okay, for us, right, in order to grow the port, actually it also might not be about like trading the whole day or heading setting up a lot of orders actually in the platform, or but the thing is like how to grow the best thing, right, to grow the best way to grow the port. Though it doesn't mean that like trading a lot is they cannot grow, okay, but if anyone right out there, okay, have been trading like maybe let's say a few months and a few years or whatever, and then it doesn't grow, they might want to focus on like do the trading which can hold, like do set up the order which can hold the order as long as they can. This way, right? Okay, this way it might make your port, right, grow effectively. Because why I suggest this one, because I was the one who experienced something like I trade a lot. Actually now and every day, right, I also trade a lot. I trade the whole day actually. If I have a chance, if my brain is still working like 100%, I have trade the whole day normally. But the thing is, I used to trade the whole day and then it doesn't grow well, okay, and then growing but it doesn't grow well. So and then I try the thing that he mentioned, and then it's actually it's quite it's working. Actually, if I set up an order that I want to hold for long, and I did hold long, but at first, right, when you try, at first it's like you have to try, fail and learn before you can doing some before you feel like you achieve or having like a glimpse of success or something like this in this kind of strategy, but you will fail actually, but it's worth to try and it's good investment. And then like as I told you, actually right now my port is growing about like 3 times because of this holding the order for long like that. But on the same day, right, I also heard like a guy who's saying like who are actually, right, he said like he already withdraw like our colleague, like our trader, like a fellow trader as well. He said like actually, right, he already withdraw the money, you know. I mean like from the pot, maybe millions of baht actually is quite a lot. And then I was like amazed. I was amazed by by his performance. And then he said like he also did something like this. He hold the order long, and then he said like he said he's fired. Every order he didn't move the stop loss. He tried to fight every order to hold long, and that time, right, and that day, right, it's actually opened my eyes a lot. My eyes are open, and then like I go back, and then like I try to look into it, and then I try to learn how to do it. Yeah. That's the thing. That is something about this one. Another thing is like this trading journey, right? I want to tell you all, like the person who also already in the market or still not in the market yet, right? Not in this trading market yet. You might think it's easy, and then you might just need to find. Let's say like if you are my friends in Myanmar and you are thinking like to open the port, the trading port, and then you think like you think of maybe you want to find some person in Myanmar to train you as well, or teach you as well. It also might be possible actually, but if he or she didn't learn before, right, and he already like have trade for many years, and then also maybe growing, but it's actually from the experience. He might not have like a proper like knowledge as well, but how can I say, okay, but there's some other thing actually. There are some other thing that I want to talk about. The other thing that I want to talk about is like this, okay? If anyone, right, okay, like the person, that means like you try to find something from by yourself, okay, and then like they are talking to you like, okay, this trading system, right, or this trading strategy, right, that they can provide you or whatever, whether like you are in Thailand or you are in there, and then like they say like, okay, this trading strategy or this trading system is working 100%, and then you can win money for sure. I can tell you, until now, I never find something 100% actually. I never find. I don't think there's something like 100% in this trading market. Maybe if you ask me out, and then how can we make money? Okay, I mean like let's say like if I tell you, right, in 1 week if you enter the order, maybe let's say 10 order, okay, 50% lose and 50% win, right? Are you gonna make money? You might say like, oh, okay, 50% lose and 50% lose and 50% win, right? Then I will not make money. You can still make money actually, even you lose 50% and win 50%. If you know how to manage your order, if you know how to manage your risk per order, and if you know how to set up an order, you still can win, can gain the money, can earn the money, even you lose 50%. Even you lose, maybe 60 to 70%. You still, if I mean like if you develop the trading like system, right? I mean you have to learn first. You have to learn first before you can like come up with like the trading system that you want. You think. But if you basically right, if you know how to manage your risk, how to manage risk per order, how to manage your money in the pot, and also like have the right knowledge, the right knowledge and skills as well, you will be surviving. You will earn money. What to do, what to do, what to do. I just wonder like I see this kind of volume right a lot. Hold on, this is like 920 and actually the volume normally come might have to wait a bit because like I noticed right the volume come yesterday also like after 10 p.m. as well. I mean more than before, like more than hour before. To tell you the truth, actually, normally I don't trade in US session that much. I didn't trade in US session that much normally, so I don't feel familiar with it a lot, but I just go by my system. And if today right the result come out is not so success, then I might have to consider to change the strategy actually. There's something. Going, coming. Maybe in another 40 minutes. Right now, right, if you are half an hour, if you think, if you're watching me live now and then like you think like you want to do something else for a while, whatever, and then you already set this buy limit and sell limit, right? I would like to say, I would like to say that you can do something else first, and maybe in 20 minutes first, and then you can come back to watch this order as well. I believe so. Let's see, because I expecting like the volume right will come at 10 p.m. Thailand time, which means it's about, counting from now, it's about like 40 minutes. And I think if you are listening to me now and you would like to like listening to me again tomorrow, okay, I will do from now on right in the evening I will try to do live in English from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. every night, because actually right, I think like the other coach right, they are doing the live trading in Thai, and so which means I have to do something differently. Look like they might go up to pick up the order. Finger crossed. Momentum change in the last swing in this one. actually right before that right it look like you want to go up by I see the momentum like this before this one from here I think okay by that time right before the new I think if there's no new right I think the price I might want to enter the order around here in order to buy and then it go up more. But since the news come out in this way and also like the last swing it show momentum to go down, I will try to trap the order here. But let's see how. I think my wife also watching now. Hello. Okay, our order, the price is now moving up to our entry point. Our entry point is 4831.2. I mean like I try to like leave some spread right, the gap. If anyone want to set up an order, maybe sometime right, if it only trigger a bit, then if it only like I put the order zone right, it's very exact with the zone. Sometimes it touch, but it don't trigger your order, then it's not good. So I try to set up the order maybe about like 50 point lower, 50 point higher. Okay, my order is about to trigger. Finger crossed. But don't worry. I mean like there's no. I mean like there could be the result could come out in two ways. But what I see is because the news come out in this way and also the last swing is also like showing like the momentum to go down. So I based on then the last swing right also like this one. Also they are playing with the zone like this as well. This zone it look like the same zone like this one. So I also based on history and give you the order. Okay. So I have my reason to giving you this order, giving this order. But if it doesn't go well, don't worry, okay? Trading is just not only one day. It's not only this moment. You can trade every day. There's chance a lot. There's chance. Oh. Okay. Highly possibility. Also this one right. Highly possible because this one also supply zone. This supply zone also but it's big. But if it's I mean like if it's changing the trend first, I mean like it's reverse to go down right, then we might consider to cancel this order, but I hope it's touching first. It look very nice to touch actually. No? It look very nice to touch. Now 9:30 p.m. in Thailand. Let's see. Anyway, for the person who come, who just like watching me live now today, right? This morning I gave an order, 3 order. One is trigger in the live and also lose with about 650 point. Another order is trigger after my live, and then like it achieved about 2,000 point in the evening. Is it unbelievable? Like 2,000 points is taking like the whole day. It is can except like in the US session where the price is moving very fast. Like this one, the price is now is almost 2,000 point. Does it go up from this point? Where is it? It's actually, I would say it's from this candle as well. When it come down, it's already 2,500 point within oh, within like 40 minutes it's already no, yeah, it's actually 5 minutes, so confused. Within like 20 minutes, right, it's already like 2,000 something point in what US session lah. Okay, my friends, look like the order gonna be trigger. Whoo! Get excited. Let me check something. Oh. It looks like it can trigger actually, but I'm not sure. Okay, my friends. Okay. Let's see this order, but I'm very sure that like some of my friends, right? Okay, some of my friends who are coach, the coach as well. I might say that they might wait the order until like go up to around here, to this about this zone, to give the order. Okay, and it could be. But I think for me, right, to give an order, I think I would go with this one. Exactly. They are reaching this zone before they go down lah. But if it's working, it's supposed to be working. Oh yeah, it's touching the zone. If even it's small like this, it's touching the zone. Seems like I underestimate. Okay, the stop loss is trigger. Okay. Hold on. This about 480 point. Let me make the record first. Today we are in minus. Maybe tomorrow I have to change the strategy. I have to wait a bit, I think. Look like to wait for the volume first. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay, this one didn't trigger yet. Okay, I will delete this one. The record is already up there. Don't worry, my friends. We will get another order, please. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Even some of the anyone right, who waiting for this in a smaller time frame, I will wait a bit. I will look at it a bit, like because now right in 15-minute time frame right, I also think like there's no momentum as well. It might be like a fake breakout. Could be. Fake breakout. Okay. แอมเป็นช็อกแอมเป็นช็อกดาดาดาดาดาดาhave to be serious now
เ
go bye เดี๋ยว I'll put this order first then but it might not come down to pick up the order wow price is going up now my friends, can I have like about 1 minute, please? I'll go to the toilet. Actually, right, this demand follow, right? The zone of this one is also very interesting to enter buy order as well. But I mean it's moving so fast, so I might not be able to write down for you guys. coming down again. So good. So good. Oh. Well. Don't think so. Wait. We are waiting. Wait. 'It's 1 minute time frame. Five minute time frame.ย่อบ่ายย่อ Okay, we are now setting another order of buy limit here. And we are waiting for the price to come down. Actually, like the swing of this is quite strong. The momentum of this swing, right? The volume is quite strong. Not so bad. if the price is go down to our buy limit, it's same thing like what I analyzed for this one. It should go up a bit, but we are waiting for the price to come down now. Okay. Waiting for the price to pass this zone. Actually, like this zone, right? I mean, like they got like the demand zone here as well, which means the price could go up like for this one. But however, I don't choose to enter the order because the this one and the RSI is actually doesn't seem to be wanting to go up a lot. But it might go up, but I have the reason not to enter the price, not to enter the order. So there could be breaking this zone because like the momentum here is actually they want to come down since, and also plus the story is also showing the same direction as well. And I also wouldn't dare to enter this order actually. Wouldn't. Okay. But it might go up, but I wouldn't dare. It might go up. So if it go up and then it's like come to break to like break this high and then confirm the structure, then we will wait until another opportunity again. Could be. Could be. Wow. We just wait. We only stick with the graph. We don't try to we have to have discipline, we have to have consistency as well. So which means like whatever the trading system that you have, you shouldn't try to getting out of the trading system that you develop. And this zone, right, especially like this zone is not too high. Now it's coming down and it's breaking the zone that I mentioned, which means it's actually my analysis is correct. Oh too fast. Okay, I think it's better zone is here, man. Better zone is here. Can you come and pick up a bit? Better zone is here. Okay, like the price is coming down and playing with this zone, and then it's going up, and yeah. Actually, like I was like looking at like the bigger time frame here, and trying to wait for it to come down to the zone, which could be, but if actually it still can come down to trigger the price, and actually right now it's like we missing the opportunity like this one of the zone exactly missing. Let it, if it go up and it doesn't come down at all, like it's changing the trend. Okay, I will, since it's already like you guys have the right to take out this order, because like it actually come down and play with this zone. But however, I want to see whether like if it not changing the trend, right, like it go down like this. Can it come down like this or not? Hold on. I will cancel this one. I will cancel this one, please. I will cancel this one because this one is, hold on, this is not a good thing to try anymore. Okay, I will cancel this one. If it come down, then I will not play anymore. Okay, we missed the opportunity. Okay, because I shoot the zone. Actually, it's like the two of the zone is very close, but I try to choose the safest one. Yeah, we missed the opportunity. Anyway. 41, 40, 39. Actually, in time frame of 5 minutes, right? Also, it's still not exactly bad, but I mean like we already have canceled that order because I think like if it come down again, it might be breaking like it might be breaking our order. So I decided not to put an order anymore. And actually like my okay, let's see how. Nope. Ayo. Okay. What is this? Okay, my friends, the last order, right? I think we missed opportunity like uh, a bit, not too much, and I think if it come down again, right, I wouldn't wait for that zone anymore because like I think the momentum might change, and especially in 1 minute time frame here. It looked like it could be coming back and going down more, but I might be wrong. Actually, I wish it could go up again. Actually, let's go to a bigger time frame. And I think what this order of us. Oh, okay. Yep. This order of us. Tough. Man. What time is it? 10:10. And if I don't give another order, it will be very strange. My friends, where's the price? Where's the order? Where's it order? Where's it order? Waiting. Actually now I don't have any order at the moment. Okay, then we just need to talk about other things else. We just need to talk about other things else now. Wow. So, what else can we talk? Actually, where I was expecting like it can come, it's the price can come down even more than this actually today. I thought because like I feel like price is already up very high. But then, and as I told you in the beginning, right, of the session, of this session, I think all the people in the world, right, they are looking for buying. Even there's some of the good news of it, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much. People are always people are in their mind, right, in their thought, it's about like buying gold would be the safe. It's safe for them. Better than keeping the money. So by this situation, right, even if there's some good news in some day, it might pull back. Only one thing, like one of the day, right, and mostly it's happened in the US session normally. Like the price will come down, we pull down, we pull back very far, very deep, and then like if we can catch up with that one, but I mean like you need to be safe, no? When you're waiting for like some day like that, right, you need to be very safe, like for the zone. Because why? Because if it's not saving enough, if it's not safe enough, right, it might go even like it might break your stop loss actually. Could be. And I think people, right, on that kind of period of time, on that occasion, before the price go down, I think people are forgetting, like the situation of everything is like kind of like become like not getting worse and not getting better, but people also like forgetting about the things that are going on. And then at that day, right, okay, it will be the day that the price might come down. I mean like when the people think like, oh, it might only like just rely on it might go up only, and don't think about don't think it's gonna go down anymore. At that day that we don't think about going back, I think going down, right, going like a pullback or going down, at that day that we don't think, I think the price will go down. To tell you the truth, just now I placed some order actually before I delete, and but that order is actually below this low, no? Below this price, below this low, and then like it didn't trigger, and then it already bounced back to here, and I didn't keep that order because the order itself, right? If it come down to trigger, it might be broken, so I didn't keep the order. So I will wait. Right now I have to wait until like the price is actually confirm the structure first. Um, Actually, I draw the zone to see whether like whether it's like how is it react. I'm I'm very sure that some of the professional traders out there they might give the signal on sell side of this one as well, and which could be it could be come down. But for me, right, I'm not a fan of this pattern a lot, so I didn't go go with the zone that much. Oh, who is it? You want to say hi to me? We are waiting for the price to confirm the structure now. Right now, I will wait until if this one come down, right, and then it makes some reaction that is like actually is playing with something like this kind of zone. In the next move, I might consider like if it come back again, then to the swing high, then I might consider to enter. But so far, Okay, even including today as well. I think today or today morning, I think like this kind of pattern, right? When I come back to test the zone again, it looks like it's also breaking. So not easy. Actually, I lose the opportunity that like this is like the strategy that I normally use. But and I already lose the opportunity to enter enter the order because like I thought like the price right we have like we have will have some reaction with the zone in the 5 minute time frame, not in the 1 minute time frame, but it's actually now it's already have like the reaction with the 1 minute time frame. So and then it's already bounced back up, and I would say I already missed this opportunity for tonight, but I'm not sure whether like in during my time of live streaming today, whether I'm gonna be able to give you another order, but I will be with you guys until my time is up. As I show you actually like my style, right? Normally I don't try to push myself to follow other trading system a lot. I mean like other strategy. So which mean I normally stick with my strategy, what to do, okay? Because this is how I survive in the market. If this is how I survive in the market, then I will try to show you what I really like, what I normally do. So I normally, so which means it's like in some of the system, some of the strategy, I might not, some of you guys might expect me to like set up some order, and but the thing is like if I don't feel like this is my kind of like pattern, then I don't. Okay. But when I draw this zone, because I want to know whether like is it actually if it does it have the reaction to come down as well. But yeah, but I will try to set up something. Okay. I like buy. I normally set buy limit. I like buy. โอ้ย luckily we didn't set up any order around here and it's already like the price is already breaking this zone and I pretty much don't see don't see other zone now Ooh. The volume is very strong and oh the volume is quite strong เพื่อนๆอาจจะมาคุยกับเพื่อนๆดีกว่าถ้างั้นตอนนี้ผมก็เงียบไปนานแล้วล่ะเออแต่ว่าคือตอนนี้ผมก็รู้สึกว่าคือพยายามดูแบบคลื่นพยายามดูอะไรเงี้ยครับคือพยายามดูแบบสิ่งอ๋อ sorry actually today session is about is in English so I mean like right now I have been quiet for a while to like analyze the graph and I think I mean like as of now I'm waiting for the candle of the 5-minute time frame to close and I just want to see the momentum of the store a bit actually right now right I would say like if the person who buy who have the order of buy I think it's gonna be very hard for them for the price to come down to the price that you guys enter now so it might not be my luck today but it definitely have to be but anyway for the total today right I still are in plus in positive number so I don't worry that much oh very good the price is very strong now it's about to close even I close and then I try to see the okay actually I would like to say that this one also not bad if it come down okay this zone is also not bad if it come down but I'm not so sure that the price is going up very fast now hold on I think we need to go down to 1 minute okay if I see the price is very fast and so strong like this right okay I will test what two zone and another zone is if you can see the order is like 48595661. Actually, like this kind of style, right, is also not safe. Oh, it's going up again. But since I saw like when they make a structure, it's quite strong. It's quite strong, and then like quite strong, and it might want to go up again. But the good zone is this one. Let's see whether like I can, if it come down, will it be trigger this one? Oh, no. Huh? Oh yeah. Actually, yeah, maybe like my because it's 1 minute time frame. It's not easy to write down actually in time. So I'm a bit sorry, but it's already achieved for the first one. Okay, then let's see for another one. I'm sorry. Go for 5 minute time frame. What is it? Oh, there's some people are watching. You might have the right to move the stop loss, but also you also have the right to, uh, if you already closed some of the order, like half of it, you also have the right to open until let's see. almost touching almost and then it's also yeah it's also higher than the last one I think the last high chance high opportunity for TP2 TP2 is already done oh by the way if you have some order left you can hold what I forgot to type as well okay so TP2 also achieve okay if you still have like some lot size left in that order right then also you can hold the order as well otherwise but move the stop loss to break even now okay for that order please oh yeah okay what did I do for this one okay see we missed one order and it's a very nice one but I make up with another order and 680 point so in total today right we still in plus side and I told you that if you have the order side left lot size left for that order you can hold but you better move the stop loss to break even first this one in another 10 minutes right my time will be up for tonight and I'm thinking like I feel like the early morning is like there is no people watching me a lot so I from tomorrow right I will change my life to I will change my lifetime right to 11 o'clock morning until 2 p.m. in the afternoon Did I write out wrong? ไม่อะ Okay, the order keep going. Oh. I hope the order trigger, I think. Still. Today in summary, okay, for look like this order, if you can hold, then hold. If you don't have any order left, so for today, right? Okay, we some okay. 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 Plus 1,550. Hold on, this order, right? Okay, let me set the target for you guys. This order is okay. Ooh. If anyone holding this order, okay, target number 3 is actually 4879.4. Look like I need to take out this order. Oop. I wish I could sing, so then I can sing when I'm waiting for when we are waiting for the order or something like this. What is that? Okay, this one, sorry, change to 4879. Okay, and this one I would delete. Okay. Okay, I will wait another 5 minutes. And we will conclude the session for today. Okay, I hope like this order is actually reaching like 4879. Okay, we have well, we have 3 order. Oh, oh, okay. Only I mean like from 2 session, right? Morning and the evening. So we have 3 order, and the total that we have is still in the plus. The amount is still in the plus positive number. We still again, as I told you, lose 2, win 2, and you still might end up like having earning money left. So it's about like it's about how you manage the order as well. Okay, right. I only have 1 minute left to be with you guys. If you guys like me to be like talking a lot like this, okay, maybe later on of the session I don't talk a lot. But if you guys like me to talk like every evening that you don't have anything to listen to, and if you don't also have a free time as well, it's actually also good to be together as well. And maybe sometime, right, if you want me to share something, you can also give the comment as well. That would be very good for tonight. Okay, and for today's the whole day, right? Okay, in conclusion, right, we still make a positive number for today. And I told you, even like we lost like in a day, or even we lost like 50-50, win 50, lost 50, we still make some money. Okay, and if you guys like me to be here, then press the subscribe and also like turn on the notification as well, because if I come to live again, then you will know. Okay, and then like we can have like some chit chat or giving a message, giving a comment, then I can answer you guys if there's anything in doubt. Maybe just the first night, maybe you still don't have any question, but if tomorrow or the day after tomorrow you have like you have some what can I say? You have some of the some question that you would like to ask. Maybe you in tomorrow you will go search some information and then you want to ask me tomorrow. Then it's going to be very good if you can comment me, and then like I will try to respond to you and answer you. Okay. For tonight, my time is up, and then I will see you again tomorrow. And tomorrow session, right, I will start at 11 a.m. please, because I think like morning session, right, to I would say like a bit early for me, and also like not many people seeing me live as well. So then I'll move the schedule to 11 a.m. Okay. Good night, you guys. Okay. See you tomorrow. Love you. Bye bye.